landed on me. Come in here.
That one!
Oh, the guys, it's not funny. They're all after me.
No,
Go away!
They're after the food.
Where's my wig? Please take my box. Sorry, box. I swear his wings gonna smack me. The one beak comes
I thought that was a seagull. I thought that was a seagull.
Oh, there's it coming in. Oh, give me some bread.
No.
Lizzie, there's enough.
Lizzie, there's some there.
They catch it. Lizzie, this sort of
Look, I'm doing it. They'll want me to do it again, though.
Lizzie, don't land.
Liz, I want you to do it again. Go.
You're touching the seagulls.
No, wait for it to come.
Do this. Let me rub you. Seagulls.
Then, Liz. You missed
Then
it.
just throw it up so they
Go!
can catch it.
Oh! Don't throw it like that. That's it. Do there.
Lizzie went backwards.
Lizzie, it's over there. No, Lizzie!
In the head. Oh, okay, please.
Stop it, Lizzie. They'll actually shit on us.
It's fish.
Look, they're sending signals to tell everybody that there's Whoa! Oh, Lizzie!
When she goes, she walks down as a sort of banner.
I think people. Lizzie, get that one over there. Lizzie, it's behind you.
Come on, then. That could be seagull keeper. I want that pigeon woman on.
They're seagulls, though.
My tractor.
There! Don't throw it that close, they'll like head butter.
I want to give it to you.
He'll give us a peck on the cheek. Stop it, yes, sit down.